फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। ये जैसे माय फॉलोअर्स डिसाइड माय स्लाइम रेसिपी वीडियो किया था जो मैंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम में किया था। तो उस टाइम पे मैंने अपने यूट्यूब जो मेरे फैंटास्टिक्स हैं, जो मेरे यूट्यूब सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं, मैंने उनको कहा था कि प्लीज़ 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 हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड दैट बेल नोटिफिकेशन, क्योंकि जब आप लोग वो बेल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन करते हैं तभी आपको मेरे सारे कम्युनिटी पोस्ट भी मिलते हैं गाइस। तो मैंने अपने कम्युनिटी पोस्ट से मेरे यूट्यूब सब्सक्राइबर्स से चूज करने के लिए कहा इन दीज पोल्स कि आप मेरी स्लाइम रेसिपी चूज करें। एंड आज मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स मेरी स्लाइम रेसिपी के इंग्रेडिएंट्स डिसाइड करेंगे एंड लेट्स सी कि मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स ने कौन सी स्लाइम चूज की है। So yeah, fantastics. Now without talking much, let's get started with the first question. जैसे कि आप लोग ये first question देख सकते हैं। So इस पोल में मैंने आपसे पूछा था choose my slime glue. So 84% of you guys have said कि मैं clear slime बनाऊँ and clear glue use करूँ. So now I am going to use clear glue, but जो glue मैं अभी आपके साथ use करने वाली हूँ वो है Fevigum, which can also be like considered as क्लियर ग्लू, बट क्लियर ग्लू की कंसिस्टेंसी और थोड़ी थिक होती है, बट फेविगम थोड़ा सा गम टेक्सचर्ड है एंड थोड़ा सा वाटरी है। बट बिकॉज इंडिया में फेविगम ही ज्यादा अवेलेबल है एंड क्लियर ग्लू इज नॉट वेरी एक्सेसिबल, सो मैंने इसीलिए अपने स्टोर में मैंने काफी सारे क्लियर ग्लू के ऑप्शंस दे रखे हैं। इफ यू गाइज वांट टू चेक आउट, यू गाइज कैन चेक आउट एट माय स्टोर एंड देयर आर सो मेनी ऑफ गुड क्लियर ग्लूज देयर। अगर आपको क्लियर स्लाइम बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है तो आप वहाँ से क्लियर ग्लू ले सकते हैं। एंड एवरी इंग्रेडिएंट आई एम यूजिंग इन दिस वीडियो विल बी मेंशन इन माय फैंटास्टिक स्टोर, सो प्लीज चेक आउट दैट स्टोर एज वेल। एंड नाउ विदाउट टॉकिंग मच, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द मेकिंग ऑफ दिस स्लाइम. So I am using this sized bowl. Yeah, let's make this slime. So now let me add Fevigum. So fantastic, don't worry, I will try this with the clear slime as well. I have a clear slime जो मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले बनाई थी. If you guys want to see how I made it, I also made it with my activator which was like fantastic contact lens solution. So yeah, if you guys want to check out, you guys can check it out at here I button पे. एंड या वो ऑलरेडी बनी हुई है, सो आई एम मेकिंग इट विद फेविगम ताकि आप लोग भी ये घर पे बना सके. सो सेकेंड पोल था कि आप लोग चूज करेंगे मेरी स्लाइम का टेक्सचर कि वो थिक हो या फिर जिगली. सो 15% ऑफ यू गाइज चूज जिगली एंड 85% ऑफ यू गाइज चूज thick slime, and I kind of really like thick clear slime as well. So yeah, let's make it thick and not add water. And now guys, the third post was about adding shaving foam in the slime, and thank god you guys said no shaving foam, and 81% of you guys choose no and 18% of you guys choose yes. So thank god, because like shaving foam in clear slime is not a very good idea. And now let's go to adding color in our slime. So I gave you guys two options, which is like yellow and red, which is like I thought you guys would choose yellow and red because like it is more prettier, but you guys choose black and blue. Like wow. So now I am going to add black and blue क्योंकि मेरे subscribers ने choose किया, so I need to add it, but I really don't know which color would actually it will come. So yeah, and I'm also going to add that colors into my clear slime as well. So make sure you guys watch this video to the end of this video, so मैं आपको वो वाली slime में mix करके दिखाऊं. So yeah, now I am going to add black and blue into this. So let's add it. And wow, what kind of Halloween slime it is, I really don't know, but my subscribers really like these colors, and I haven't made slime with this color before, so I really don't know. So let's add this blue color first, and it will kind of turn into green. Yeah, I know that, because yellow plus blue will turn eventually green, but this is kind of turning into gray, and this is not a very pleasant shade. As you guys can see, this is very weird shade, and this would suit as an Halloween slime probably. So yeah, let's see. It's already pretty black. I didn't really expect that. I thought it would turn greenish, but it turned blackish gray, which is pretty weird. And now it's all mixed up. Now we will add the black. Oh my god, I have never used black in my slime before. So let's add this black. Oh my god, it's already black. It is going to turn out black, I'm pretty sure. Like, as you guys can see, it is turning black. But black clear slime itself is like kind of cool. So let's see. It's pitch black, guys. So fantastics, this is how our slime is looking right now. And now, so the sixth poll was which add-ins I should add, and 84% of you guys choose glitters, like, which is weird because I have given the options glass beads, fake snow and beads. So I was like thinking you guys will choose beads, but you guys chose glitters. But I'm not sure if glitters will show up in this black slime. Anyways, let's add some glitter into this. So guys, I will be using this golden glitter. So yeah, let's add, because black wale mein I guess gold is what is going to show up the most. So yeah, let's add a lot of gold glitter. And the next question was which activator, and you guys use my fantastic lens solution with 81%, and Borax is 10%, contact lens solution plus baking soda is 2%, and boric acid and baking soda is 7%. So yeah, let's add a lot of glitter. And now let's mix. As you guys can see, the gold glitter is also a bit less showing in this, but it is the most showing of all the glitters I have. So yeah, I think it is a pretty good choice. And now we will activate this with my fantastic contact lens solution. Like, if you guys don't know, and if you guys have not watched that video, I will give that in here I button, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. It's super easy to make and it's super affordable. So you guys will need that, and you guys just watch that video and make it at home. And yeah, that's all. And now I'm going to activate my slime finally. So this is my fantastic lens solution. I used a lot of it this week, but yeah, this is super nice, and all the slimes work amazing with this, and all the glues work amazing with this. So I am using this one as well. So let's start activating, I guess. It started activating. I'll fast forward this so you guys will not get bored, and I'll fast forward the activating process. So let's see. You guys don't need to activate it super fast, or you guys don't need to make your activator super concentrated, क्योंकि हमारी clear slime खराब हो सकती है अगर slime जल्दी activate हो गई तो, and it will be super non stretchy और बहुत ही बेकार हो जाएगी हमारी स्लाइम अगर वो बहुत जल्दी एक्टिवेट हुई तो. एंड दैट्स वाई वी नीड टू एक्टिवेट इट स्लोली so it can be a very thick and as well as super clear slime. So yeah, as you guys can see, it is activating itself right now. And इसको ऐसे ही हिलाते रहना है guys, हमें अच्छे से नेल करते रहना है इसको. And a little bit of activator sometimes. As you guys can see, it is fully activated right now. So fantastic. As you guys can see, our slime is ready and this is like super nice and super sparkly as well. Like as you guys can see, it's not focusing. It's super good looking. Oh my god, it looks like a galaxy slime. Like yeah, it looks super nice. It looks like a night with a lot of stars and this looks really amazing. And comment down below if you guys have any name for this slime. Like I have a name which is like a galaxy night, but this is like super nice. Like this is super nice. Let me give you guys a closer look to this beautiful slime. Oh my god, how beautiful is this slime looking, guys. Oh my god, just wow. And now it's time and I'll show you guys how clear slime would look with this color and this glitter as well. It's not going to be very different, like yeah, it's pretty similar, but I think it will be a little thicker because it's a clear slime and this one is Fevigum, but the result is super nice. I can't believe how beautiful this looks. Wow. So I will also post an ASMR of this slime on my second channel, Fantastic Diaries. So if you guys have not subscribed, you guys better subscribe क्योंकि वहाँ पे अब 2-3 दिन में वहाँ पे बहुत सारे ASMRs आने वाले हैं. I have been editing all day long, so if you guys just subscribe and want to see the ASMR of these slimes, you better go there as well. So now let me show you guys how clear slime would look. So fantastic. Now I will show you guys how a clear slime would look if these ingredients are in that as well. And this will be fast forwarded and an ASMR type of video will be there on my second channel of this whole process. So if you guys want to just hear the ASMR, then you guys head over to my second channel, Fantastic Diaries, and watch it there. And this is going to be fast forwarded. So yeah, let's watch. So fantastic. As you guys can see, there's pretty much literally no difference between a clear slime and a Fevigum clear slime, but this one is a bit thick and elasticy, but that one is pretty much amazing. And if you guys have noticed, this one the glitter is not that prominent और वो इतना अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है, but this one is the clear glue slime and let me show you guys the Fevigum slime and how good the glitter looks in the slime, like amazingly good. last one is the Fevigum clear slime, and this is looking just amazing. So let me know in the comments आपको कौन सी वाली slime ज़्यादा पसंद आई, this thick clear glue slime or this one, the Fevigum clear slime, which is like super nice as well. So yeah, comment down this emoji if you guys have watched till here, like this one. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for subscribing, and if you guys are not subscribed, then please subscribe, and please follow me on my Instagram, Farhana Nuzhat and Fantastic Farhana. Let's grow our Insta Fantastic fam as well. So this is how both of them look. I really love both of them, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video at least 700 likes, and yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.